My name's Elliot Schoner. Welcome to the channel. I'm here to make you rich. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make money so easily, or they seem to have no financial issues in the world, while the average American actually struggles paycheck to paycheck, finding it hard to even pay for the necessities of life? Have you ever thought that maybe there's some secret thing that you just simply didn't know? Well, the answer to that question is yes, absolutely. The interesting part, though, is that it's actually not a secret at all. The way that families and individuals have become successful hasn't changed for generations. Whether it be the Rockefellers or even today's modern Elon Musk, the way that people create massive generational wealth hasn't changed. The truth is the path to financial freedom is extremely easy. However, the decision to take that path can be very difficult. If your parents, the family, and the people around you are all working class, average Americans living paycheck to paycheck, what's likely you're going to live and adopt the same principles that they know, the same principles that have kept them in their current status. However, if you were privileged enough to grow up in a wealthy family, the way that you act, see, feel, and otherwise approach money is completely different. Growing up on both ends of the spectrum, coming from a working class family, following the traditional methods of graduating high school, going to college, getting a house, and accumulating tons and tons of debt, to now being financially free, having enough cash flow to do whatever I want, for as long as I want, with whomever I want, I can tell you that we're all being lied to. I believe the reason for this is because the rich and powerful who create the curriculum in both our grade school, high school, and even college don't want us to know this information. Having been taught this information through the grace of some very generous mentors, I now want to share this information with you as I received it. If you're new to the channel, I'd recommend you start with just watching some of our shorts. It'll give you a taste of the things that we're going to cover. Once you're ready to truly commit to changing your life, I then encourage you to dive into the 13th grade. Don't skip around. It's made to be taught in order. The 13th grade is a free financial literacy course that I developed that covers topics ranging from credit, leverage, investing, taxes, and the mindset needed to put those things together in a way to create massive generational wealth. Once you finish the course, you'll have a clear understanding of the path that you need to take to move from nothing to something in a very short period of time. Once you finish the course, I'd ask you to join our community of other individuals that are seeking the same thing, financial freedom, and living outside the norm. Once you finish the course, you should then transition into the deep dive videos that put into action the principles that you'll learn in the course. And I'll leave you with this. One of the first principles that you'll learn in the course, the 13th grade, is that your success is going to be heavily dependent upon your circle of influence. If you, as well as the people around you, are all headed in the same direction and on a path to becoming truly financially free, it makes things a heck of a lot easier. Without further ado, let's dive in.